Hello everyone, this is John from Squarify, and today I wanted to show you how to install the dark mode toggle plugin. So the first thing we're going to do is just open the instructions file that you downloaded after you checked out. Just double click it. Step 1 is really just to tell you that the way the toggle plugin works is by using the darkest one color theme. So for most of you, you won't have to do anything for step 1, it will just work. But for some of you, maybe with like custom themes, you might just want to double check that darkest one is ready to be used as dark mode. And the way you do that is on your Squarespace dashboard, go to this paintbrush over here called Site Styles, go to Colors, and if you scroll down, you'll see that there's a darkest one color theme. So any changes you want to make to dark mode will be here. Step 2 is just to adjust options for the plugin, which are the dark mode logo URL and the size. So for most of you that use text as your logo on your website, you won't have to do anything. But if you use an image for your logo, in dark mode, you might need to provide an alternate image so that you can actually see it even though the background is black. For example, on this site, imagine the background being black. It would be much harder to see the Studio 5B logo because it's a dark green. So in dark mode, you might want Studio 5B to be white instead. And if that's the case, you can just put the URL of that image right here and you'd be good to go. For size, I would recommend just keeping it 25 for now, and afterwards, after you test it, you can adjust it if you need to. Now, step 3 is just to go to your Squarespace dashboard, go to Website, Pages, Website Tools, Code Injection. Step 4 is just to copy these lines of code and to put it into the footer, and remember to save. Step 5 is just to check that we did that properly, which we did. Now the next step is to go back to Website and Pages, and then we want to add a new link to our main navigation. So if we go here, we can find link title, we're going to call it dark mode. And for URL, we're going to type in Squarify-dark-mode-toggle. Make sure to get the spelling correct or it won't work, and just save it. Okay, now you can see that there is a moon icon in your navigation, and you can actually move this around. So I'm going to move it behind contact because I think it makes more sense to be there. Let's move on to the next step, which is just to check that that worked. And that's really it. We can start testing it now. So if I click this moon icon now, my site comes dark. I can go to other pages and it stays dark. I can also press light mode to turn it back to light mode. And I can show you that on refresh, it also stays in dark mode, or whatever mode it was previously. And that's it for installing the dark mode toggle plugin. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or contact me on Squarify. But until then, thanks for using the plugin, and I'll see you soon.